So wagwan people, respect for tuning into another video, yeah, and big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. But from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today, yeah. And today we're forward to talk about dancehall artist Ghandi, Vybz Kartel, and also MC Nuffy and Spice. So people, we see we are in which Ghandi expose a bag of thing about Spice and MC Nuffy, and I make Spice know say at the end of the day she must give Nuffy him credit because a Nuffy Buss and not Vybz Kartel. You see me I say. And Ghandi also expose a bag of thing in other video, ya people. So I want to stick around for all of that. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also give this video a like, yeah, and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here already. You see me? We are gonna just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere, don't move. Me soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we see we're in which Ghandi expose a bag of thing about Spice, MC Nuffy and Vybz Kartel. And basically Ghandi say I know Vybz Kartel boss Spice. As me I say, he must say MC Nuffy really kick the door open and make Spice get to come through. You see me? And basically what him really mean is, he must say at the end of the day, at them time that him never know Spice. You see me? He must say him and Vybz Kartel and MC Nuffy used to par. You see me? So he must say MC Nuffy come to him one day when him forgot foreign. He must say basically Nuffy said to him, say, yo, you know, say Ghandi, yo, you know, say I find a girl and she bad, you know, the girl bad, she can ride with him wicked, you see me? But here what she can't write, you see me? She don't like right tune, you see me? So Ghandi say, I tell Nuffy at them time, they say, alright then, carry her in, you see me? Me write two tune gear and test her out and say, oh, bad she is, you see me? And he must say at them time, the Vybz Kartel never the boss it or nothing, you see me? I say, and he must say Spice come in, and when Spice come in, he saying test her, and yo, he must say Spice mash up a beat and mash up a rhythm them, and he must say yeah. So he must say at them time it was the time when time Elephant Man get robbed in a foreign. You see me I say yeah, me know most people remember that. You see me, for all of the newcomers and young people them, yeah, them not gonna really know what me talk about, but you don't know the old dancehall fans them know that. You see me, when Elephant Man get robbed, you see me, and he must say alright then, him write a tune half of that give Spice, you see me, and basically he must say the tune go like elephant afraid fi fly, to them rob him, can't go to England again, them a go mob him, you see me? And me know enough how to remember them tune because me remember them tune the one time, you see me? And I want to show you say at them time the Spice, most of Spice tune them time there was like counteraction of other male artist song, you see me I say? So Spice tear up the place with that, you see me? And that really gives Spice a little recognition in a Jamaica, you see me? He must say Vybz Kartel help with Spice career, you know, but Vybz Kartel bust her to the world as in with ramping shop, you see me? But him really kick the door open so Vybz Kartel could have see her a certain way and know say yo the female is bad, you know, you see me? So he must say at the end of the day them time they that tune they did a tear up a place both Elephant Man till he must say yo Elephant Man a start preem, you see me? Spice end up on Sting stage with that tune there and have to pull it up 5 times, you see me I say people. So right now he must expose a bag of thing and he must make the people them know say I know really Vybz Kartel really start the thing for Spice or MC Nuffy, because if MC Nuffy never bring Spice to him them time there, him wouldn't write that tune they get Spice and Spice wouldn't get free. You understand what I mean? Bust out at them time there, you see me? So he must say basically him not really say Spice wouldn't bust overall, but he must say yo what happen already and him make it happen, you see me? So basically now people, I want to tell me what you think about all of that down into the comment section, you see me? Because you know you have people out there when you really know the fullness or what really go on, you see me? But you also have people on the other one who really know what go on. So for all of you people who really know the facts, you want to comment down in the comment section and make me know what really go on. If all of this way, Ghandi say if I true or not, you see me? But here are people, I have the video and I'm going to make you check it out for yourself, you see me? And then tell me what go on. So here are people, check it out, soon forward.
I make me clear that something here. Spice, I mean I talk this man dancehall at seat, I mean I talking about the world here. You need to give Nuffy him credit. But now I talk, did you say? Hold on, listen up. Spice, Grace Hamilton, Millard. Let me call her Millard.
Okay.
When me call her Millard, she know where Millard come from. Let me tell you what Millard mean. Millard was an old car, one old blue car. When me and her Nuffy have a drive room, where me could have run faster than it. But we enjoy it. We go everywhere night. See? What me I say now? I want to say this to you, Grace. I know you and the dog have something going, but me I say this man dancehall at seat. give the man in props. You're supposed to give him props. So you see when some other people are running and I say, boy, I them bust Spice. Them not bust the Spice.
Why is Spice supposed to give Nuffy?
Because you're supposed to listen to me now. I'm say give him credit, man. That didn't sell in our line.
Yeah.
Give him credit.
Yeah. Why?
Because Nuffy brought Spice to me. Yeah? Them time when me and shoot go back, them time go back and forth to England, whole heap. Nuffy bring Spice to me and say, the man said, blood clot DJ. Me find the baddest thing. And I say,
You shall get serious now, you know.
So I say, no, I'm not telling a lie for a reason. So the man said, me find the baddest thing. I say, oh, that time I run around my baby mother yard at Grego Park. And him say, she bad, but she can't write. You understand? So I say, him bring her come at the night. So I say to him, say, here we go and done. Bring her forward tomorrow, all her vibes. Because I made her go to England at the week. Sting was about to keep at that time too. When him find her. So when him bring her forward to me, them time the elephant man, just get robbed in England. You understand? And the thing is going on with him. So when him get robbed and she come link me and I say, yo, I have an idea, you know. And I go so boom, and I write this song, Elephant Afraid to Fly, show them rob him, can't go to England again, them I go grab him, 17 yeah. And me write that, yeah.
You Ghandi.
Are you write that song then?
Yeah, but I mean
I
right
remember when Spice performed that on Sting and roll out with the blood clot big bike and fuck up the whole place.
5 forward you get.
Fuck, I remember that. Me can never forget that deal. Hold on.
Yeah, man.
Who you ask? Are you write that song then?
Yeah. So what me I say to you is, long story short again. So what me I try to say is, Digo, give Nuffy him credit, because if Nuffy never brought you forward to me at that time, I wouldn't pen the song and give you, and then that wouldn't have happened that particular time.
Ghandi, them say Kartel about Spice, you know, so
No,
you
please, my get up. I think the name, you know.
who you reach tonight and the people them say Kartel about Spice.
Just still
so
not.
Oh, you say no, you write the big song.
Please, I know what me I say. This is why me I say to you now, say she need to actually clear the part of the ear. It don't take nothing, you know. If you ask her now who wrote that song, maybe she don't want to tell you because she enough have a thing where something where we can't talk about ear.
So, yeah.
But going.
So Spice, Nuffy first meet Spice?
Yeah.
So
over Portmore man. Them take alright. That thing the way someone had vlogging and them something. Enough start them something then. Enough start vlogging them.
Why enough you get beat now you get credit?
No,
at least we not discredit your work. And me, the artist attack, the DJ attack.
Listen me now. Listen me good. Let me talk this. Nuffy a great youth, you know. You cannot take that from him. A great youth.
Yeah, man, yeah.
What great youth. Great youth. And I'm going to tell you the same thing about Ghandi.
Well, we need to talk to Nuffy.
You understand? But what I try to show you is, I don't have a problem with that. But what I try to show you is, as so she forward up, and then when she forward up, whosoever see her after the fact when she bust thing,
so
then them start whatever.
But hold on now, because me hear different stories. Before Spice bust, Kartel, she roll with Kartel I bring her a country and do some things.
Yeah, but you're still. But listen,
that's thing. That's thing.
Please listen to me. 4 away, they in a one taxi, 14 persons in Jamaica. We are go through a mashup together. Things happened. Kartel go him way, Ghandi go him way. You understand? Nuffy and Spice did a link back like that. Remember, she's no stranger to Kartel. So when the DJ boss and them get that big boss there, me still a waiting now. For my minivan pass and say, yo, we are gonna punish town in a jump. You understand? Happen. We still a wait. And me and Nuffy and we still a do we are just. You understand what I mean? So if the DJ say, him do him a do fear, him do ramping shop, him boss are worldwide. Him give a worldwide boss there. You cannot deny that. But when me say I'll killer them, I come say a them boss. And the rest of people them I say a them boss. It was after the fact. When go watch it now, man.
You can't remember
when
that
she
sting.
mash up that sting,
Remember that sting.
So that sting there was like the way she entered.
The door, open the door for that. Yeah.
But who said
bro,
she was on the thing?
Huh?
Who said she was on the thing?
That's her set, bro.
She's on her own set.
Yeah.
The big bike.
Yeah.
And mash up the what she call it the whole of the artist name. Mash up the place. And we say,
all right. So this song, yeah. Elephant afraid to fly. Show them rob him. No, rob him. Elephant afraid to fly. Show them rob him. Can't go to England again. Them a go grab him. 17,000 pounds. Them rob him. Lucky them never bag him and tag him. Him say capish. Chisel, man, Nizzle. Same time, him look up in a 4-gun nozzle. Him say, Shankle, man, uncle, the man say, give me the chain for your uncle. And give it a Rolex watch where you bling because the place done. She couldn't done the song.
Because them time the Ellie did have
that make
everybody afraid to fly to the bandit. Yeah. So she remix a song there.
Listen, me know, that make Ellie pre me. So me get a enemy for me side this again. So the thing is that me get pre-mix this too.
So really and truly, people, you know what I want to do? I want to tell me what I really think about all of this we Ghandi say. You see me? Really and truly, you don't feel like say, yo, I really that make Spice Buss or not. You see me? Well, me can tell us and me can testify to certain things where I say night, and basically remember when time that tune they run for Spice for 2 years. You see me? Them time the Spice did a mash up a place. You see me? Elephant, they really vex them time they for 2 one time that tune they are growing. You see me? And I really there's so people really start checking and listening to Spice. Even Bounty Killer, you see me? Because you know enough people that say a Bounty Killer bus Spice, you see me? I say. So really and truly, I kind of understand what Ghandi say right so. Because at the end of the day, him done make you know say, yeah, Vybz Kartel bring her international with ramping shop as I said before, you see me? But him really I say, yo, other tune there make Spice start get the recognition, you see me? Make people start hear her and know say, yo, the female are bad pan a different level, you know, you see me I say. So I kind of understand that, and when basically I say is Spice for just give nothing credit, you see me? Yeah, give him props at the end of the day. Because basically, if I never for enough of them time, him wouldn't know how to write that tune there, you see me? Because him a show you say, watch you now at the end of the day. At the 4 of them used to par, you see me? Which is Vybz Kartel himself and Spice, you see me? And then used to have an old car where they used to par in and drive up and down. He must say all him could have run all faster than the car, you see me? I say. But basically, he must say, yo, that's how the thing I come from, you see me? So people, as well I said before, I just want to tell me what to think about all of this, you see me? Drop your honest opinion down into the comment section, you see it? But you don't know how we do the thing over here, see, you see me? You don't know, we're going to check out now, so you don't know people. Large up, big up on yourself, live, love, you see me? I said, peace, I'm out.